welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you're doing well. I am coming on today to do this look. Now, on one of my previous videos, I had a haul from Revolution, and this palette was the palette that, oh, the swatches were just amazing. And this is the look that I have created from that palette. So if you would like to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I've already prepped my face and put my highlighter on and all the other bits and pieces. I've already gone ahead and done one eye, so we shall do this eye. So to start off with, I am going to use a transition shade. So the transition shade I shall be using today is from the Reloaded palette, and I shall be going in with this one right in the middle, just here. So I'm going to use, nope, that one as my transition shade. So here we go.
Maybe you're in Australia, maybe even on the coast, disguised in regalia and making the most of
Lovely, so that's the transition shade done. So next I'm going to go in with, just put that there, and the next I'm going to go in with this fabulous palette. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. There you go, Mermaid Heart, I Heart Revolution. It's fabulous, it's my favourite. And on the back, obviously, it tells you all the different colours, etc. But when you open it, that is stunning, isn't it? Look at that. So I am firstly going to go in with the lightest shade, which is this one just here, and I'm going to go in with that one. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush
Maybe you're in Australia
and go in with that.
disguised in regalia and making the most of
I'm going to go in with, which one is it? I went in with this one. This one just here. Then I'm going to go in with this one here, and I am definitely going to go in with that one. So here we go. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with some of the concealer, and the concealer I'm using today is the CoverGirl MUA Cover and Conceal. So I just pop a little bit of that on the back of my hand,
disguised in regalia
just like that.
and making the most of
And then I'm just going to come in with it on my eyelid. Then I'm going to go in with a packing brush, just there, nice little packing brush, and we're going to go in with the gold, just there. I'm going to pack that on.
Maybe you're in Australia, maybe even on the coast, disguised in regalia
Then I'm just going to darken up the corner a little tiny bit with the grey that's on here, so this one just there. So as you can see, that's now just darkened up the eye a little bit. Then I am going to go in with my eyeliner, which is the Renaissance Flick. So, here we go.
Maybe you're in Australia, maybe even on the coast, disguised in regalia.
So that's that. Then I'm going to just go onto my under eye. And go back in with the green. Now I'm going to underline, put some eyeliner on my waterline.
Maybe even on the coast, disguised in regalia.
I am going to be back in a moment. I'm just going to pop my mascara on and some lashes, and I shall be right back. Okay, so the lipstick I have put on is not perfect yet, and this was one of the lipsticks that I got in the Revolution hashtag gift bag, the gift bag that you get. So this is the final look. I love how the eyes have turned out. You just want to zoom it in there.
Disguised in regalia.
There you go, look.
And making the most of the most of
They've turned out lovely. So, ooh, don't want to go that far in, do you? So this is the final look. I love this palette. I really do. Oh, I forgot to do one thing. We've got the Revolution Sport Fix setting spray. Just bear with. Oh, yes. Now we are ready to rumble. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. As I say, I absolutely love this palette.
Maybe you're in Australia.
Isn't that just adorable? And the colours inside are exquisite. So that was this look made with this palette. Yeah, I really enjoyed that actually. It was very good. I love having a good play about with makeup. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Why wouldn't you? It's free. And if you would like to know the next time I'm going to upload a video, click the notification bell and you will be informed as to when I upload a video every single time. So all I want to say is thank you for watching. You take care of everybody else and yourself, and remember, keep creating.